Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change the name on the Snapchat. Because sometimes we need to change the name on the Snapchat. So in this video, I will show you how you can change the name on the Snapchat. So before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Snapchat and then you will see profile icon at the top left corner. Click on it and then you will see setting options. Click on it and then you will see name options. Click on it and here change the name. After changing the name, click on save options. So guys, you can see my name is changed. So in this way you can change the name on the Snapchats. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.